front of me is Samsung Galaxy A57, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove in the middle and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you want to restore it, hold your display until you see all of those options at the bottom. Hit Widgets between Themes and Settings. Scroll, look for Google app and tap on it. Then scroll again to click on the search bar and select Add. Now hold it, place it wherever you want to, and when you're finished, let go and tap on your screen. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!